What is up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be working on Clayton's BWS 100.
This is going to be quite a crazy build. Currently, we have a Malossi multivar and a Technicas exhaust pipe installed, but we'll be adding on to this. Firstly, we'll be swapping out the rims for some powder coated rims as well as the grab rails. Next, we'll be fitting a Malossi 125cc big bore kit with the VL14 reed block and a Malossi 22mm carb. And then, in the drive, we'll be fitting the Malossi primary gears, the Malossi secondary slide-in sheave, a Malossi Delta clutch, and our very own Urban Riders performance pipe made here in Cape Town. This is all going to be very exciting for us and Clayton, the owner of this BWS. He's from AutoVelvet in Cape Town. They're doing amazing detailing on some amazing cars. So if you're interested in checking him out, his socials will be linked down below.
Alright, so we are heading to TrackMac in Pardon Island. Awesome place if you ever need to get some spares. I'm going there to change the tires on the BWS and put some new valves in. It's going to be quite cool. Then Bearing International in Maitland, awesome place if you ever need to get any sort of bearing. They stock pretty much everything and anything, and I'm sure they can get if you really need something. So we'll be heading there. Okay, we're here at TrackMac and let's get it sorted. Got the wheels fitted nicely by Damien at TrackMac. Did an awesome job for me. So now we head into Bearings International and we can get those bearings. Awesome, so I got these bearings from Bearing International, made in China, as all of these parts these days. Cool, so let's head back. Okay, so to get this wheel off, we're gonna have to take off the exhaust so we can get to that nut. And we're gonna be swapping out the exhaust anyway, so what we'll do is we'll just leave it off for now.
Most people make is trying to loosen with the Allen key.
Oh yeah.
And it messes up the thread.
right, there you have it. Wheels are on. We're going to do the grab rails in the next video. So remember to like and subscribe. Let us know what you think in the comments down below, what we should do next, what you want to see more of, and we'll check you next time.
Weird shot.
That was perfect. That was one time take. That was a one take.